everyone, welcome to Introverted Life channel. Today I'm going to show you our mini backyard. Me and my partner in life, we just started to live as husband and wife last June 8, 2024. Later in one of my video, I will share pieces of part of our happiness during our wedding day. But today, let's have a tour. So, konti pa lang yung mga vegetable plants namin dito and we are planning na mapaganda pa ito lalo. But now, kasi tight ang budget, this simple backyard is what we have. Thankful kami dito kasi kapag wala kaming pambili ng mga ulam, pwedeng-pwede lang na kumuha sa garden namin. Me and my husband are both teacher, by the way, kaya yung 1 month na no interruption vacation was a big help, lalo na for wedding preparation that time and sa mga gawain katulad nito sa pagtatanim ng mga pananim. So kaya naisingit namin yung pagtatanim ng mga vegetables sa aming garden or sa backyard. Here, our garden, we have the luya. Also, we have here the sitaw. Then, we have the pipino or cucumber sa Ingles. Namumungan na rin siya by now. And may okra rin kami rito, waiting na mamunga. At para may pangdagdag ulam na rin. Then we have the watermelon. Yung watermelon namin dito, tumubo lang ito dito. Natutuwa nga kami kasi ngayon malaki na siya and malapit na namin siyang makain. So, now, papakita naman namin yung aming upo. Okay? And then, we have also kamote. Okay? Ito yung unang-unang tinanim ko na plant, kamote. Then we have here talong, namumungan na rin siya. At sa side nito, merong munting ampalaya, hindi lang siya nakuha ng video natin. Now, we have also another batch ng sitaw. Sa likod nito, makikita natin yung lemongrass or yung tanglad. Kasama doon yung ating kalabasa at maging yung opo. Then dito na side, meron tayong tinanim na kaunting kangkong. So, ito yung kabuuan ng aming munting backyard. So, hopefully, sa susunod na video namin ay mapapaganda pa namin lalo yung aming backyard. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.